Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help how to study for Step 1 USMLE Step by step. Start by making a weekly plan with study blocks and breaks, then pick one primary resource and one question bank to cycle through daily. Use active recall, spaced repetition, and focused review on weak areas. Schedule full-length practice exams, simulate test conditions, and analyze mistakes carefully to improve with each session. Create a daily routine that balances reading, questions, and flashcard review in short, focused sessions. Start with a warm-up set of questions, then review related topics and spaced repetition cards. Rotate subjects to prevent burnout and keep study blocks consistent. Log errors and revisit missed concepts quickly so they transition into long-term memory and build confidence over time. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and future videos. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that keep snacks and meals tidy during long study days, saving time and stress between blocks. Check the description for the product link and other deals to help your study routine. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Treat practice exams like the real test by replicating timing, breaks, and environment to build endurance and pacing. After each exam, spend ample time reviewing every question rationale and note recurring themes and mistakes. Adjust your study plan based on score trends and focus on high-yield systems with targeted question sets. Consistent simulation reduces test anxiety and improves strategic decision-making on exam day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.